Yeah, what's up? It's your boy Mac Easy, aka E-Bot. Another morning in the life for E-Bot. You know what I'm saying? Chilling out and about at the car wash, kicking it with that boy Mercy Child. I got Mercy over there. I'm like the sun on the sand right now.
Goddamn right, nigga. Goddamn right. Ready to go get back to this motherfucking studio, nigga.
Yeah.
So ready to get shit, nigga. Fuck you, man.
Gotta get in there.
You want to see me soon?
Got little cuz Taylene over there wailing, you know what I'm saying? Wailing. Got that boy Codeine over here, head in the car, you know what I'm saying?
What's up with it, man? Trying to get this thing spotless.
Spring cleaning. Spring cleaning. Trying to think about what I got, what I got planned for today. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Got a little fettuccine, you know what I'm saying? I'm about ready to get off into something, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking I ain't got no bitch, but I'm sad no more. Shit, so I got all the freedom in the world. About to go and hit a motherfucking club or something. Trying to convince my cousins. I'm like, man, let's four of us get motherfucking fresh and go out there and shit, smash something, you know what I'm saying? Old school. Shit. Go live this motherfucker. But, I don't think boy Mercy over there spitting that pimp, you know what I'm saying? Spitting that pimp, and you see what we about, you know what I'm saying? You know that same level. Shit. I'm gonna get up out this motherfucker. Well, with up bumping that flag, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably about to go ahead and break out with a little gangster walk. Shit. But your boy E-Bot is out this stage.